In this video, we are going to review the best beginner acoustic guitars available in the current market. After reviewing 15 acoustic guitars and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
Fender FA100 Acoustic Guitar. A straightforward beginner's acoustic guitar. This I think best describes the Fender FA100. It is not too low-key, and at the same time, not too overwhelming.
Number 2.
Yamaha FS800 Solid Top Acoustic Guitar. A much smaller scale guitar, but the same features and sound profile. I think this best describes the Yamaha FS800. FS means folk small body acoustic guitar.
Number 3.
Orangewood Rey Mahogany Acoustic Guitar. A California-designed acoustic guitar that's packed with good features at a price every beginner can afford. The Orangewood Rey is one of the best acoustic guitars for seriously beginner players.
Number 4.
Martin LXM Acoustic Guitar. The Martin LXM Little Martin proves that bigger doesn't always mean better. This travel guitar produces a sound that's comparable to a full-body guitar without actually being a standard full-body guitar.
Number 5.
Taylor GS Mini Acoustic Guitar. The Taylor GS Mini is a beautiful compact guitar that's surprisingly bigger and fuller sound. Its deep and rich tone is thanks to its select woods. It comes with a mahogany top, layered sapele back and sides, and an ebony fingerboard.